In today's video, we will discuss how to go straight and take a left turn. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes. If you need to take a left turn, you must keep these points in mind. This solid line. Cars are coming from here. This corner. Turn on your left indicator. If traffic is coming from the front side, you need to stop here and wait until it is safe to proceed. During your practice classes, ask your instructor this question. Where should I stop my car? Your instructor will guide you about this corner. With the help of this corner, you can stop your car in the correct position. Now, wait for a safe gap in the traffic and take the left turn. Here, students make some common mistakes. Some students touch this solid line. This is a mistake. Some students touch this solid line. This is a mistake. Some students take the left turn to wide and then adjust the car afterward. This is also a mistake. Some students take the left turn, but they don't have proper control of the steering wheel. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these mistakes and make sure you correct them during your practice sessions. These are some of the common mistakes students make during the RTA road test. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.